My name is Warren H. Arrington, Jr., President of American Safety Products, located in Raleigh, North Carolina. We are a specialty contractor in the commercial, healthcare, and government industry. We partner with construction managers to provide and project true value to the project. As a finished operator, we also help navigate the time frame in finishing and completing a job, as well as giving advice to those who need it out in the field. We have more flexibility as we are a turnkey subcontractor, provide product and install, and sometimes we do other items in equipment. As a result, we are finishing up 2 major healthcare projects this quarter, as well as an elementary school. We have worked with Brasfield Gorrie on 3 projects this year. In 2024, on one of the projects, we also added value to helping with the owner who needed really help in completing the restaurant. We are projected to complete the other projects at the end of this quarter. The EQUIP program has been very beneficial to American Safety Products, as it has allowed us to network with the Brasfield Gorrie team and staff, as well as we have received numerous opportunities in the past year. And we have been patiently waiting to also understand the administrative side of Brasfield Gorrie. We hope to continue to work within this program, as well as become a true partner to Brasfield Gorrie as a specialty contractor, and would move up to be the first sub of choice. Thank you very much.